guys, I wanted to show you this tool that we use. You know, it's like for taping mud, joints, and all that kind of stuff. But we use it for installing sheetrock, and we also use wallpaper. We scrape the walls, we smooth it out. Here's another smoother. Anyways, these things get really sharp. As you have scraped the wall so many times, it sharpens that metal. And I mean, it's so amazingly sharp, it'll cut the hair off your arm. It's just like, I don't have any hair, so it doesn't count on me. Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to straighten this out and make it not so dull, so sharp. We're gonna dull it so it won't cut you, because if you touch this, you're cut. Let's check it and see. It's already much better. So it didn't take really that much to unsharpen it. And I used 180 grit wallpaper. Now this tool is not so sharp, it's dull. And you have to do that every now and then. If you don't, and you have your tool up on your ladder or your stairs, you know, if you hit it with your hand or your leg, it will cut you. And we don't want that to happen, because safety is first.